So let's talk about the thickness planer and see how to tell how it's doing. This is mine. It's an old Ryobi. I bought this at a garage sale and I had to make the handle for it up here. I think I gave like $100 for this thing, and it came with a radial arm saw, and maybe I think there was a Ryobi table saw, and there was also this scroll saw. They just wanted to get rid of stuff. So, how do you know how well your thickness planer is doing? Well, you see here I've got a slab of mahogany, and now this was just one continuous slab, but I had to cut it in half to fit it through my thickness planer to get it down to close to where I wanted it. And it looks, when you look across it into the light, it looks okay. Doesn't look bad. A lot better than some I've seen, and it actually, this planer has helped me a lot. It saved me a lot of work. But let's see how to tell how it really did. And for that, I have a piece of sidewalk chalk. You can tell I've used it a lot. Just lay it on its side like that. Get it on about a 45-degree angle and just run it all over it. It doesn't count the glue in the middle to squeeze out. But as you run this across, you're going to see all of your highs and lows. This hasn't been sanded or anything. So you see all these lines running across it. You can see the snipe down here at the end. You got some at this end. It's not as bad as some of these I've done. Ridges going down the middle this way. Tell me there's a chip in the blade or something. And then there's all these lines going this way that, because mine is only a 2-blade, and it might be feeding it through too fast, so it's doing this. If it was going through slower, then it probably wouldn't make these lines in it like that. But obviously, it's an old one, and there's no adjustment on it for taking care of these things. But now it's just something that shows you if you've got snipe. It shows you what kind of finish you're actually getting. And then this is also a perfect way to set it up to go ahead now and sand, because as you start sanding, as you get rid of all the blue, even down in the pores, then you've sanded fairly deep and got it down to hopefully smooth. So I hope that helps and gives you some idea of how to check your planer to see if it's cutting straight and leaving an even finish, or choppy and snipey and all that stuff. So hope this helps.